Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today we are gathered here to celebrate one of the most important days in the history of our nation, Independence Day. On this day, 15th August 1947, India got freedom from British rule after years of struggle, sacrifice, and determination. Independence Day is not just a celebration, it is a reminder of the courage and sacrifice of our freedom fighters, leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Sardar Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru, and countless others dedicated their lives so that we could breathe in an independent India. We must always remember that the freedom we enjoy today came at a great cost. Every year, we begin the celebration by hoisting our national flag, singing the national anthem, and paying tribute to those who gave their lives for the country. The tricolor flag is not just a piece of cloth, it symbolizes our unity, our strength, and our pride as Indians. But friends, celebrating Independence Day is not only about remembering the past, it is also about taking responsibility for the present and the future. True independence means not just being free from foreign rule, but also being free from poverty, ignorance, corruption, and discrimination. It means ensuring equality, education, and opportunity for all. As students, we are the future of India. The best way we can serve our nation today is studying sincerely, respecting our elders, being disciplined, and developing strong values of honesty and hard work. Every small effort we make, whether it is keeping our surrounding clean, helping someone in need, or standing against their unfair practices, contribute to building a stronger and better India. Our Prime Minister hoists the national flag every year at the Red Fort in Delhi, but each of us must carry the spirit of the flag in our hearts. Let us remember the words of Pandit Nehru in his famous speech, Tryst with Destiny, when he said that India had awakened to life and freedom. Today is our duty to continue our journey with dedication and unity. On this Independence Day, let us pledge to be responsible citizens, to respect our diversity, and work together for the progress of the great nation. Freedom is not just a gift, it is a responsibility. And together, we can make India a country that our freedom fighters dreamed of. Thank you once again, and a very happy Independence Day to all. Jai Hind.